All right, we got a package in. Exciting. Let's break it open. If you guys see the title, we already know who it's from. It is from Cannacured. This is just its notice telling you that this is not what you think it is, YouTube. This is federally legal. And you're not allowed to do anything to this video because that's not what it is. That's not even what it is. Look at what we got here. And the box is looking pretty clean, I'm gonna be honest. Some attention to detail on that. That's always appreciated. All right, now we got a better angle going here. Let's take a look inside the box. Holy, we got a pack right here. Okay. Well, that's all that's in there. Let's see what's in this pack. Perforated edges, let's go. That's what we like to see right there. All right, let's crack into this package and see what we got. All right, let's do a quick haul before we do a closer look at what we got here. Oh my God, I hate to tear open this bag. This thing's so awesome. But, you know, I think the better things are gonna be inside. Oh my God, holy, okay, wow. There's a reason that this bag's here. It's not just for looks. First thing right here. Little fruit roll-ups, a little quarter of their Prestige. So they have 3 lines of their flour, the bottom being mini, the middle being, I think premium, and then I think their top line being Prestige. So this, this bag's not doing enough kind of thing, you know? So let's see what else we got in here. Is that what I think they are? Is that what? Holy moly. We got a nice rosin pen of some Bombay. All right, nice. And then our second one is Marrakesh. Nice. Some foreign terps right here. We'll have to rip into those soon. And I think there's one last thing in here. Probably my favorite thing though. One gram of some papaya X mimosa. So we'll look into this here soon. But yeah, overall this is the haul.